how to make money on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Temu. So in order to make money on Temu, all you need to do is just watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now there are different ways of earning on Temu. So first thing what you can do is you can simply launch to your Temu application. Now one of the easiest way of making money on Temu is that cash reward. Now Temu Cash Reward is a reward program run by a Temu. You can earn reward point for participating in various activities on platforms such as purchasing products from an affiliated or completing tasks like survey and polls whatsoever. And apart from it, you can also try Temu sign up bonus. Though now these are special bonus available to users who sign in with Temu. When signing in with, you'll receive a welcome gift of points that can be redeemed for cash reward discounts and vouchers as well. And other than that, you can also get a free PayPal cash with Temu. So to get a free PayPal cash with Temu, you'll have to make sure to sign up for a Temu account and complete tasks such as survey, watching videos, downloading apps and more, and you'll then earn points that can be redeemed for PayPal cash or other reward. Like already said, there are various different ways on doing it, but these were some of the easiest way on earning points or cash on Temu. So in this way you can make money on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.